Hey there, if you want to unblock a phone number on your device, on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or S25, then this video is for you. First, you just need to go to the phones, and from here, you just need to tap on this three dot button. Now, you just need to go to settings where you will find block numbers. Tap on block numbers where you can find the block numbers list, the numbered list that you have added as the blocked on your phone book on your device to call you from that contact. From here, if I block, for example, if I block this number from here, for example this one, if I block this, for example this, here you will find the block number. And if that contact is already available in your contact or recents, then you can just simply tap on that contact like this and go to the I button here, and simply you just tap on this three dot button in the more button and you will find unblock contact. That's how you can just tap on it to unblock that contact. And in recent section you can tap on it and go to the three line button, and here you will find the unblock options. And you, if the contact is doesn't exist in your recent tab or in contacts, then you can simply go to the three dot button here. Now go to settings. Now in block numbers you will find that numbers that you have blocked on your device. Now you can simply tap on this red minus icon to unblock that number, and you just remove that number from the block list. That means you just unblock that number on your Samsung Galaxy S25. Right now here you can see that there is no unblock option here. There is already a block option. That means it has just unblocked the number. And if you can find any cross icon start of this number, that means it has just unblocked the number on your device. That's how you can do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a like below, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.